सो अभी हम आए हैं गणपति बप्पा को चूज करने दिस ईयर। अब मुझे अपना कैमरा नहीं मिल रहा, सो आई एम गोइंग टू शूट विथ माय फोन। बप्पा प्लीज हमें चूज करने में हेल्प करो। और हमने अपने गणपति बप्पा ले लिए हैं मार्केट से। See, this is the market. हमने अपने गणपति बप्पा चूज कर लिए हैं।
मोरया गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
ओम मंगलम गणेश मंगलम
गणपति बप्पा मोरया,
ओम मंगलम गणेश मंगलम
गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
जय करो, जय करो, जय करो।
पंडित जी
चलो लिट्टी जय करो, जय, अच्छा जय करो, अच्छा जय करो, जय करो, अच्छा फ्लाइट ये फ्लाइट। जय करो।
ओम देवतालोका देवितं विष्णुनाथा तंजधारेवां देवी पवित्रं गुरुदर्शनम् ओम वाग्रेस्तव वैष्णव्यो शक्तिपाः वृषभपद्म ओम विष्णु 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 ओम विष्णु 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 श्रीमद्भागवत वृषस्य विष्णुराज्ञस्य अद्वर्तमानस्य श्रीजयद्वाराः कल्पे जम्बूद्वीपे भारतखण्डे इंद्रवस्तजे ओम नमस्ते नीलग्रे भाषास्रज्जायमेनकेतो देशत्वानो अन्देभ्यो वरन्नमः ओम जवास वासा प्रवीदा आगच्छाम नैवोद्यावनापं दर्शा सवजा पुण्यन्ति साध्यो न सादेवयन्ता। समप्रभां निर्विघ्नं गुरवे देवा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। ताग्रे भूतसिदादात्रे का आसीता कस्य देवाया हविकाभिधेम्माम्
हाँ जी, सो आई एम बैक। आई टुक माई शावर। आई एम ऑल रेडी टू स्टार्ट माई आरती। Right now it's almost 9:10 as per my clock. So we'll just do everything, very quickly, and I'm already pretty late for the aarti, today. I generally start around 8:30, but yeah, nevertheless, let's start. I'll show you the first thing that I do before I start anything else. So there is something called Akhand Jyot, what we do, for Ganpati, basically. So now the next thing, I have to prepare the bhog for Ganpati ji. Every morning we do that, the fresh prasad that we actually give it to Ganpati ji, that I make, for Ganpati ji, or Purnima makes sometime. So this is what it is, little suji with ghee, and then some sugar. It's like suji ka halwa, that is what I'm trying to make. That's what we make, anything in sweet in the morning. That's what goes for Ganpati ji's bhog, a little bit of sugar. So like I said, the bhog that we give in the morning to Ganpati ji is something that I cook freshly. So today what I cooked was halwa. This is the suji ka halwa. So the other bhog which goes is 5 kinds of fruit. So 5 different types of fruit that I put. So I've got, today I didn't have the 5th one. So I put 2 apples, some grapes, pomegranate, and the banana. So these are the 5 fruits that I'm going to now give it to Ganpati ji, and please accept our blessings and give us your blessing, and accept whatever the little that I'm trying to do for Ganpati Bappa.
ओम प्रतिवेत्तर्दलोकं श्रेष्ठतेरस्मिन् सत्यं बहुरात्रे वार्षिकान् रूपमश्चिनो व्यातं माष्टन्निकाण्डम् ओम हरे ओम वां ओम सुवस्त्रेन्द्रवृधस्रवाः स्नागोगास्सवेदाः ओम हरे ओम वां ओम सुवस्त्रेन्द्रवृधस्रवाः स्नागोगास्सवेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अष्टमी वित्तमे मासे भाद्रपदमासे कृष्णपक्षे त्रयोदश्यामः तदुपरान्त जय गणेश जय गणेश देव माता जगती पार्वती पिता महादेव अंधनी को आंख देत काढ़ी को काया अंधनी को आंख देत काढ़ी को काया
गणपति बप्पा
मोरया,
मंगल मूर्ति
मोरया,
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मोरया रे, मोरया रे, बप्पा मोरया रे, मोरया रे, बप्पा मोरया, बप्पा हम गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया,
धीरे धीरे
आराम से
गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया, गणपति बप्पा मोरया।
मोरया
मंगल मूर्ति
मोरया
गणपति बप्पा
ऐसे कर दो गणपति पापा को, ऐसे कर दो। Hi everybody, now Ganpati Bappa has just been immersed in water, and finally after 10 days Ganpati Bappa has said goodbye to us. But I know Ganpati Bappa is always around us, his blessing, and anyways he's going to come back next year with lot of more excitement and lot of more adventure in our life. But for now, Ganpati, Chaturthi was so good. Luckily, we've been blessed, to do seva for 10 days, complete 10 days. We had Ganpati at home, and meanwhile, a lot of things happened. Kiansh got little sick also, but by Ganpati Bappa's, grace, he is now fine, and he's absolutely okay. He caught some bad viral, and this viral is anyways in the air, but his viral got really bad. So for that reason, I was very worried. I was praying to Ganpati Bappa every day for the same. But luckily by today, he's all fine, healthy. You'll see in the vlog also, he's doing his own little stuff. So nevertheless, Ganpati Bappa blessing, may shower his blessing upon you, on everybody who's watching my vlog and who's not even watching my vlog. And I hope you like this one, and have a lot of blessing by Bappa. So we will meet soon on another vlog next time.